Hello students, welcome to Nilachal Polytechnic. Myself Amrendra Mishra. We are continuing with the inventory control chapter of industrial engineering and management. Here in this video, we are going to study about the ABC analysis. What is the need of ABC analysis? What are the steps and the graphical representation of ABC analysis? ABC analysis means in our storeroom we are having different items related to the production system. The items are categorized according to their values and according to their storage. The items are categorized as A type item, B type item and C type item. Whenever the industry increases number of items to be purchased, then to be taken care of their increases. If the production demand in the market is more, then we have to produce more product. For making production of more product, we are getting the material is more. So accordingly, you have to make a system that he has to identify that which item is what type of item, whether it is of high cost, whether it is of low cost or medium cost, or accordingly you have to make them space in a carefulness, very less careful or medium careful is required. So we are going to segregate the items from one another and tells how much valued the item is and controlling it to what extent is in the interest of organization. There are different steps are involved in ABC analysis. Firstly, we have to arrange the items. We have to identify all the items in the industry. Then list out all these items according to their value. Value means their price. Counting them, the number of the high valued, medium valued and very low valued item means according to the price we have to categorize these items as high valued, low valued and medium valued. The high valued item actually it is 70% of the total investment inventory cost, but it is very 10% will be the total inventory. The medium valued item will be 20% of inventory carrying cost and also 20% of total inventory. The C type or the lower valued item is very lowest value and they are having 70% of total inventory. Next step we are going to make a graph between the number of items or percentage of items in x-axis and total percentage of inventory cost in y-axis. So as we are having, there are three types of items. We have to plot the graph for these items: category A, category B and category C. The category A item, these are actually very high valued and their price is more. So the senior manager has to professionals are involved this managing of inventory. We have to stick with the very strict use and degree of control for that A item. These are very 70% of total cost of inventory going across for the A item and 10% of only inventories are related to A category. Similarly, in category B, 20% of inventories will be gone and 20% of inventories will be for B item. These are requiring very medium level of and these are purchased in accordingly to the past experience. Mid level of performance managers are assigned to manage the category of this inventory. B type item involves approximate estimation of inventory value. The medium moderate degree of control. Then C category. C category items, these are the minimal and estimate very inventory value. These are not required, very minimal or limited degree of control is required. This category are usually managed by junior staff and it is not required such much experience, and these are plentifully available. 70% of items are related to C type and only the 10% of inventory carrying cost for the company. Next comes to the diagrammatic representation, that how the A, B, C categorized is carried out. This is the number of percentage in items sold by the company. This is the number of percentage of total cost to be spent. For A item, this is 10% of total cost, total uh, inventories, but 70% is to be spent. For B item, it is 20%, the rest is 10 to 30% is known as your uh, your total percentage of total inventory cost and total inventory, and C item is next 10% of total inventory, but it is 70% of the value of product found from the market. In this way, we are getting that the ABC analysis, A, B and C items according to their value and their number. Let's comes to the advantages and disadvantages of this part. The main advantages is that it facilitates the inventory control and control the overusage, eliminates the unnecessary paperwork involved in control procedures, facilitates selective control, therefore freeing up management time, reducing stock holding cost. The company is able to concrete a high value item. Easily all the items are segregated, so we can, before we are going to use those products, you can easily find out those, and there is no unnecessary paperwork can be involved, and the management can be free of the time for the facilitated for the selective control. Stock holding cost also, it reduces the stock holding cost, and the company is able to concrete the high valued item. Disadvantage is that items low value imported may be ignored and does not permit precise consideration of all relevant inventory management problems, and adequate handling is required. Use of volume is varying performance measure. Instead, some measure probability is more desirable. It is need accumulation of lot of information. In this way, we are having the ABC analysis and completion of this chapter. Thank you.